Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Let me ask you something. When you watch those super polished AI videos like this, what do you think it actually costs to make them? Most people assume it takes pricey subscriptions or a bunch of paid credits to get results like that. And honestly, that used to be true. But things have changed. These videos were made using two of the most advanced models out there right now, Grok Imagine and Veo 3.1. Here's the part that surprises most people. Everything you're seeing was generated completely free, with no limits. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I do it, step by step, so you can recreate the same results yourself. Just keep one important thing in mind. This only works if everything is set up properly. Miss a single setting, and the platform might start charging you credits, so it's worth following along carefully. I'll also show you how to unlock a powerful image model for free, so you can pair high-quality visuals with your videos, or use them for any kind of project you're working on. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Access the platform. The platform we're using is called Gemini Gen, and you'll find the link in the description. When you first open it, it might look like any other paid tool. You'll see pricing plans, credit options, and different packages, and this is where most people get discouraged and leave. But that's not how you're supposed to use it. Instead, head to the top of the page and open the Studio section. That's where the real tools are. Inside, you'll get access to multiple AI models, including some of the most powerful ones available right now, like Grok Imagine, Seance 2.0, and Veo 3.1. Think of this as your main workspace. Step 2. Sign in and understand why people get errors. Before you generate anything, there are two important things you need to do and understand. First, go to the top right corner and sign in using your Google account. This step is essential. If you skip it, the platform may show credit costs even for models that are actually free. Once you're signed in, here's the second thing to know. The platform doesn't keep all models free all the time. Instead, it rotates which ones are available for free throughout the day. This is where most people get confused. They pick a model that isn't currently free, and it either throws an error or asks for credits, so they assume the tool doesn't work. To avoid that, always choose a model that's currently marked as free. For this example, select the Veo version 3.1 fast model if it's available. Then enter your prompt something detailed like a robotic cat exploring a neon city with high detail and volumetric lighting. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Step 3. Generate your video without paying. Now it's time to set up your output. Choose your aspect ratio based on your content. If you're making videos for YouTube, horizontal usually works best. Then set the quality to high. At this point, double-check that you're still signed in and that the selected model is free. If everything is set correctly, the cost should show as 0 credits. Now go ahead and click Generate. The rendering is usually pretty fast, and once it's done, your video will appear right in your workspace. Fully generated, high quality, and completely free. Step 4. Set up Grok properly. Now let's move to Grok, which is another powerful model on the platform. Select the Grok option and enter your prompt just like before. You'll also see something called Generation Mode. This allows you to control how the video looks. You can keep it normal for standard output, or choose more stylized options if you want something more creative or eye-catching. However, this is where many users run into problems. If you leave everything at default, the system will often return an error or show a credit cost. That's because Grok requires a slightly different setup to stay free. Step 5. Keep Grok completely free. To make Grok work without credits, you need to adjust a few settings carefully. After adding your prompt, select your preferred aspect ratio. Then focus on the quality and duration settings. The key step here is to slightly reduce the duration of the video. Just lowering it by a few seconds is enough. This small adjustment reduces the resource usage, which brings the cost down to 0 credits. Once you see that the cost is zero, you're good to go. You can now generate videos with Grok completely free and without limits. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process, and it's something most people completely miss. Step 6. Generate images for free. Now let's move on to image generation. Go back to the studio and switch to the image section. You'll see multiple models available, but not all of them are free at the same time. Scroll through and select a model that is currently available. One of the best options right now is Nano Banana 2. Once selected, enter your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and generate the image. The results are extremely high quality and can be used for thumbnails, scenes, or any creative project you're working on. Step 7. Use history and background generation. As you continue generating videos and images, everything will be saved in the history section. This is very useful because you don't need to stay on the page while your content is processing. You can leave, come back later, and your results will still be there as long as you log in with the same account. This makes it easy to generate multiple pieces of content without waiting around. Step 8. Always check which models are working. To consistently use the platform for free, you need to know which models are currently active. For that, go to the status section at the top of the platform. At first glance, it might look like a simple status page, but it actually shows detailed information about each model. Once it loads, you'll see which ones are working properly, which ones have issues, and which ones are offline. Select the last hour option to get the most recent data, then go back to the studio and test those models. Some may work perfectly, while others may still require testing. The key is to always check that the cost shows 0 credits before generating anything. If a model gives an error, simply switch to another one or try again later. Since the system rotates availability, a model that doesn't work now might work later. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to set everything up and start generating high-quality AI videos without wasting credits or running into errors. Once you understand the system, it becomes a lot easier to experiment and get the exact results you want. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.